Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot with or without the buttons. Now, the first and easiest method with the buttons is to basically just tap on the power button and the volume down button together, and automatically you can see the screen flicker indicating that a screenshot has been taken. So I'm just going to try and do that again. Just the power button and the volume down button, and the screenshot will be taken. You can choose to edit it, tag another photo, share it, or even further edit it with Galaxy Intelligence, which is this last option over here. But then if you want to take a screenshot without buttons, you just want to swipe down through the control center from over here, tap on the pencil icon or edit icon on the top right, and then you want to scroll down, tap on the add a control at the bottom, and you can literally find the take a screenshot shortcut from over here. Tap on it to add it to your list of shortcuts, then done from over here. And now from anywhere you are on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, if you swipe down and then scroll down a little bit, you should be able to take a screenshot by just tapping on this button over here, and the screenshot will be taken. You can as well edit it using these bottom controls. For a long screenshot, all you just have to do is to be on a page that supports a long screenshot, and then you just want to go ahead and take a screenshot using any of the two methods I have mentioned. And then you're going to see this arrow icon now. Just continue to tap on it until it gets to the point where you're done taking your long screenshots. And now you don't have to do anything. Give it a couple of seconds and your screenshot will be saved. And at this point, you can go over to your phone's gallery and you should be able to find your long screenshots over here. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.